Let us now witness the handing over of the ASEAN chairmanship from Malaysia to the Republic of the Philippines.
As your chairship concludes, the Philippines is honored to take on the responsibility of leading ASEAN from 2026. We are committed to carrying forward your momentum and to implement on its first year the ASEAN Community Vision 2045 with purpose and resolve. We likewise remain dedicated to facilitating the further integration of Timor-Leste into the ASEAN family. I also wish to recognize the indispensable role of the ASEAN Secretariat. Your steadfast commitment and support to the chair have been vital for ASEAN's continued success. We look forward to working closely with you in the months ahead as we bring the priorities of the Philippines and of course that of ASEAN to realization. Your Majesty, Excellencies, ASEAN is our ship, and 2026 will be the year when we set full sail together towards our shared horizon, guided by the theme, Navigating Our Future Together. The Philippines will continue to fortify our peace and security anchors, strengthen our prosperity corridors, and advance people empowerment. These main priorities will serve as our compass, guiding ASEAN towards a future where peace, prosperity, and people remain at the heart of all that we say and all that we do. This reflects not just our aspirations, but our resolve to ensure that ASEAN's integration agenda translates into real opportunities for businesses to grow, for communities to thrive, and for progress to be inclusive, sustainable, and shared by all. In 2017, the Philippines steered ASEAN in consolidating its gains over the past 50 years. In 2026, as we commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation, we will continue to champion peace and stability through dialogue, adherence to international law, and enhanced cooperation on traditional and non-traditional security issues. Our chairship arrives at a defining moment for ASEAN, one marked by both promise and complexity. For though the tides of change may be unpredictable, our compass must remain constant, anchored in cooperation. It must be oriented toward maintaining a stable and secure region, built upon a shared vision of an open, inclusive, transparent, and rules-based ASEAN regional architecture. With the Philippines at the helm, we will continue to ensure that ASEAN and ASEAN-led mechanisms and processes remain central. We, as ASEAN, will stand firm as the institution that serves as the driving force behind the region's evolving landscape. Our goal is not to diverge from past chairships, but to build upon the collective work of our predecessors. As we pledge our sustained commitment as chair, we likewise hope our vision will be shared amongst all ASEAN member states, the Secretariat, and all our external partners. It is in this spirit that I warmly invite you all to the Philippines. With our collective resolve, let us navigate into our future together.
Your Majesty,